Hi, I'm Sean, co-founder of Maneful and creator of these cocktail cards, fundamental cocktails for the home bartender. Thank you so much for your purchase. This instructional video will show you how to use and read your cocktail cards. Your cocktail cards are included in a gold foil box that will look great on your bar card. Simply pop off the top to get access to the cards. The first card you'll find in the deck is our thank you card. It may be how you found this video in the first place. On the right-hand side, you'll see how to contact us if you have any questions. Please don't hesitate to reach out. I'll respond personally. We also ask you to please consider leaving a review on Amazon. It helps other people find us, and it's incredibly helpful for our small business. On the back, you'll find a QR code that brings you to this video and an area to test your pens. Our cocktail cards include a place for you to take notes about each cocktail, but not all pens work well with this water-resistant coating, so you can test yours out here. Next, you'll find an introductory card that tells you a little about our story. On the back, you have an overview of what's included in the box, which I'll go over in this video. There are 52 cocktail recipe cards in the deck, and they're organized by spirit type, starting with bourbon. This card tells you how many recipes there are for each spirit type, and the color assigned each spirit. Whiskeys are various tones of red, gin is green, etc. Next, you'll find an instruction card that highlights the features of each card. We cover these details in this video, but you also have it here as a reference. Then we've included 2 cards that help you build your home bar. We've separated the 52 cocktails into 4 bar levels and assigned 13 recipes to each bar level. These bar levels relate to which ingredients are needed to make each cocktail, not how complex the drink is to make. The front of these cards tell you which drinks are assigned to which bar level and provide some cocktail making tips. The back of these cards tell you the ingredients that you need to make all of the cocktails in each bar level. These bar levels build off of each other, so recipes from bar level 2 may require ingredients from levels 1 and 2. If you want to build your home bar in stages, then starting with bar level 1 and working your way up to bar level 4 is a great way to build your home bar. Once you have all of the ingredients for bar levels 1 through 4, you'll be able to make all 52 cocktails in this deck. Alternatively, you can just pick whichever drink you want to try and buy the ingredients as you need them. Finally, we have the cocktail recipe cards themselves, starting with the Boulevardier, a bourbon cocktail. The front of each card is designed for the patron, the person that's going to drink the cocktail. It provides all the details they need to choose the perfect drink that matches their taste. In the upper left-hand corner, you have the base spirit, which is color-coded. Bourbon is red. In the upper right-hand corner, you have flavor profiles that tell you how refreshing, potent, sweet, and bitter that particular cocktail is. This gives you a sense of what the drink will taste like before you make it. The picture shows you how the drink is served, up in a martini glass, in a rocks glass, etc. We've also listed the ingredients so you can get a preview on what's included in the drink. The name of each cocktail is featured prominently in the middle right. Directly under that are the bar levels. It's a hidden feature because it's really more useful for the bartender. Count the number of dots on each side of the graphic to determine the bar level. The Boulevardier is bar level 2. If you're following the bar level method for building your home bar, then you can quickly identify which drinks you're able to make and hand those out for your guests to choose from. Next, we have some descriptive terms about what the drink will taste like. And finally, we have some suggestions and facts about the drink. The back of each card is designed for the bartender, the person that's going to make the cocktail. It provides all of the details they need to make the perfect drink. In the upper left-hand corner, you'll see the cocktail name. You'll notice that there's a color-coded band based on the spirit type. In the right-hand corner, you have information about the basic preparation. Each cocktail is either going to be shaken and then strained into a serving glass, stirred and then strained into a serving glass, or built directly into the serving glass. Next, you have illustrated instructions showing you the steps to make each cocktail. The pictures show you what tools you'll need to complete that task. For the Boulevardier, we can quickly see that you need a shaker to measure, a mixing glass to stir the drink, a julep strainer to strain the drink, a peeler to make the garnish, and a serving glass. The ingredients are listed below. The left side shows the main cocktail ingredients, and the right side shows the garnishes. One important feature to note is the diamonds. This tells you when to use the ingredients during the preparation. Here, you can see that bourbon, Campari, and sweet vermouth are all added when you combine the ingredients in the mixing glass in the first step. Any ingredients that do not have a diamond next to them will be called out specifically in the instructions above, so you add them at the correct time. In the bottom right, you'll find a place for notes. You can add any details that you find helpful. How much do you love this drink? Did you change the recipe at all? Is there a specific type of bourbon that worked really well? Use it to your heart's content. Finally, a select number of cocktails include additional tips or suggestions. For the Boulevardier, we call out that the ingredients all have an equal measurement or equal parts, so it's a particularly easy drink to make. And that's it. If you take a look at the deck, you'll see that they're pre-organized and color-coded by spirit type. So go out, buy some ingredients, and start making drinks at home.